Welcome back guys to another video. So today we are doing a one pot meal, so the chicken clean up. So it's a stew chicken one pot meal with coconut milk today. I cut up the chicken breast. So I choose to use the chicken breast because it's much more softer and easy to cook. And so one pot meal. And one pot meal is really fast and easy to prepare. Because today I'm not really in a no long thing when it come on to cooking. So take a break from the river just for today. So next week we'll get back to some river content. So I'm just cutting up the chicken. Some small piece. Cut up the chicken, washing off with some vinegar, and then I'm gonna season. So I use onion, scallion, garlic, and a pepper. Quick and easy pot today. Quick and easy, nothing hard. Big up to Rogers behind the camera. I'm the one who will shoot the content today. So I cut up the onion. Season up, Some scallion. I want people, thanks for the support. I know so we can't do it without we appreciate the support, Channel will grow real good. Yeah man, and big up to Chances Spearfishing _dogs. People remember to follow him on YouTube as well. Yeah man. Great content. So I'm gonna add a little bit of dark soy sauce. And we'll add some all-purpose season. Just a little bit. Like a tablespoon. So we are seasoning for taste. Some chicken season. You can't season the chicken without chicken season, right Rogers?
Yes.
Yeah man, chicken season. I use a little bit of chicken season. I use some more all-purpose season. It's a different brand. All-purpose season. And we are going to use some pimento seed. Pimento seed in Jamaica is an all-purpose spice. Say it make everything nice.
Yeah. Good taste.
Yeah. So I'm going to crack them. So I'm not using too much because the pimento is really strong. So I don't want it to overpower the meat with too much pimento flavor. So we'll add a little bit of browning. Not too much now. I don't want the meat to be too dark. Just to add a little bit of color. So we are going to leave this now, make it go and marinate and ox out the coconut. So instead of use the water in the stew chicken, we are going to use a coconut. So that finish. So I use a coconut. A whole heap of water in it, Wow. water sweet in your hood.
Yeah.
Bust him up and dry too.
Easy for bust.
Is it?
Yeah.
Great video today, guys. One pot meal. I'm gonna take it easy today. Something different. Wash them off. Yeah, man. So we are grate up the coconut, people. Squeeze out the juice out of it. Squeeze out the coconut milk. Just I use a little bit of water because the coconut are big, so it's rich. Have a lot of milk in it. Yes, sir. Another epic outdoor again in the yard. Tambourine season are coming. And when the tambourine then start dropping out little by little. And some tambourine juice we make. Squeeze out the milk out of the coconut. Now I use too much water. So I use adequate amount. I want the coconut rich could yeah. Squeeze them out now. Whole heap of milk. Squeeze it as dry as possible. All eat up the coconuts. Hag ever make nice. That's nice, man. Another big one there again. So we have baby. I'm gonna cook on the channel on the thunder. Another big one there again, soon have baby. See big monster boss. I want to say hi to YouTube, so big up YouTube. Just a little bit. olive oil, not too much. Now add some garlic. Fire and half. I'm using some garlic, so I'm just sauteing them just a little bit. I'm gonna add the chicken. Stir frying it a little bit, and then I'm gonna cover. Let the chicken stay there and produce some liquid. Smell good already and they're not even done yet.
For real. Yeah, man. Give them a next look.
Yeah, man. Nice color. Chicken looking good. I'll add some of the coconut milk. And then allow the chicken to cook. It's chicken breast, and you know chicken breast not really take too long, so by 7 minutes or 10 minutes add some butter, thick butter just a little bit. I'm gonna add some frozen vegetable. Some left and now left it. I'm gonna add some sweet corn. Green scotch bonnet pepper, piece of thyme, and I'm going to cut up some tomato adding on it. Some purple scallion. Now add in some bell pepper. So next step, I'm going to wash the rice.
Boy, look good, bro.
Boy, it tastes good already.
Tastes good, look good.
Yeah. It on 2 wash. 2 times I wash the rice, people. Try the first water. And then wash it again. We'll start make pea noise in our background. You know what I'm team today. Rain over fast. You can literally feel the rain. Raindrop. Stir it, just make sure the rice is even in the pot. are adding every single rice grain in it. Now that the rice dried down, just gonna place a clean bag over it. Just wetting the bag. So with the water on the bag will help for the rice to steam properly. Yes, sir. Gently take out some of the fire from under it. It's taking time and go and steam. Yeah, man. Look at that. Yes, people. We are check on the stew chicken seasoned rice. So you see the rice looking real shelly. So I'm gonna make it steam down just a little bit more. Probably another minute or two. Also I'll try to finish up because it seems like the rain about to fall. I will add just a little bit more coconut milk in it. Coconut milk rich in it. Cover it back. Let it steam out a little bit more. Put on the wrong pot cover. Rice done steaming. Yeah. One plate for my sister, one plate for me. And one plate for the cameraman. Chances spearfishing _dog. Bro, you missed this apata today, I swear. You missed this apata today, my boy.
Why look good though?
Look, bro.
Not real life.
I'm sure for me. What?
Yes, Caribbean vibes. They did it again.
Yeah, man. But still up on the fire, I don't take it off.
Yeah, man, I take care of man. Ready? They are the man. Give them our next update. Cameraman one this say look. Give thanks.
Yes, people. Pot done. One pot meal. An idea. Quick and easy, man. Well seasoned up. And use the coconut milk. Like, comment, share, subscribe for more video. My man, we out.